Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Jalali Aida binti Jusa, and everyone. So in this video, we are from Group I. We'll present our system, which is class reservation system. Online class reservation is a web application program that would circumvent all those problems encountered in the manual class booking system, so that the users can easily go online with their mobile phones, tablets or laptops in order to reserve class. In this system, user will need to register first in order to access the whole system and can view all the classes and its availability. Registered users, who are the lecturers and the students, can view the class information although it was booked by the other users. They can book classes and cancel booking. The problem statement for this system is that normally, the students and the lecturers will have to manually go to the office and book classes there. On top of that, they will also have to write the details of the booking on paper, which is not systematically organized. The objective for this system are to study the current problems of manual class reservation process, to develop a system that will reduce the manual work of the user, and to implement an effective and systematic process of reservation which minimize the workload of the user.
For the student Z specification, we must declare a username, password, classroom, and the result. The login function, we must declare a Delta class reservation. A student must input their username and the password. And if the username and the password is matched, the result will be appear is a login. For update password, student need to input username and new password. And if the username input match with the new password, the result will be displayed is success. For the logout function, student need to input username and the password. And if the username input match with the password input, username prime equal to username and password prime equal to password, it will be logged out from the system and the result successful will be displayed. At reservation, there will be a change in reservation, and student need to input username in the classroom. And username must be the membership of the student, and reserve prime equal to reserve union, and it will check whether the classroom input match with the username input, and the availability prime equal to availability, and the success result will be shown. For the update reservation, there will be change in reservation and class reservation. Student must input username and the classroom, and username must be a membership of the student. Reserve prime equal to reserve, and it will check whether the classroom input match with the username input, and the result that will display is a success. For the cancel reservation, there will be a change in the reservation and no change in the class reservation. The student must input username and the classroom. Username must be a membership of the student. Reserve prime equal to reserve, and it will check whether the classroom input match with the username input. If it's matched, it will delete from the system, and the result that will display is success. Already reservation, there will be change in reservation and no change in class reservation. Student need to input username and the classroom. If student has already made an reservation, the result that will be shown is already reserved. For not reservation, if there is no reservation in the system, the result will show not reserved.
For the user lecturer specification, we must declare the username, password, classroom, and also the result. Okay, for the login reservation function, we must declare the Delta class reservation. After the lecturer must input the username and the password. If the password and the username is matched, the system will be logged in for the result. Okay, for the update password, lecturer must input the username and their new password. Okay, as the new password is entered, the result will be success. For the logout function, lecturer must input username and password. If the username and the password is correctly matched, the result is success and system will be logged out. Okay, next is for the add reservation function, lecturer must input the username and the classroom. Username must be the members of the lecturer, and reserve prime equal to reserve union, and then it will check whether classroom input and the username input is matchly correct. So if availability prime is equal to availability, the result is success. After that is for the update reservation function. Lecturer need to input the username and also the classroom. a username need to be the member of the lecturer. Reserve prime equal to the reserve, and later it will check for the classroom and the username. The success result will be shown after that. Okay, for the cancel reservation function, lecturer will be need to input the username and also the classroom. Username must be the member of the lecturer. Reserve prime equal to reserve, then it will check whether classroom and username input is correctly matched. If they are matched, the reservation will be deleted and the result is success. Okay, next is for the already reservation. Lastly is for the already reservation. For the already reservation, lecturer must input the username and also the classroom. Okay, if the username is the member of the lecturer, the result of already reserved will be shown in the system.
Okay, for admin, we need to declare username, password, class and class ID. Also declare result, output, login, success, already reserved and not reserved. Okay, here we have class reservation schema, init class reservation schema, login reservation schema, update password schema, and logout schema. Okay, I will explain about class schema. Set2 power set class, list, class, map, class ID, set2 equal to DOM list. For init class schema, class, set2 equal to null. For add new class schema, delta class mean data in the class will change. User need to input name for class, input class ID for class ID, and output result. Input name must not member to set2. List prime equal to list union input name map input class ID. Or output result equal to success. For update class schema, delta class, input name for class, input new class ID for class ID, and output result. Input name must members to set2. Input name map input new class ID must not members to list. List prime equal to list union input name map input new class ID. Set2 prime equal to set2. For output result will be success. For delete class schema, delta class, user need to input name for class, input class ID for class ID, output result. Input name must members to set2. List prime equal to list hiding input name map input class ID. Output result will be success. For view class schema, no change of data in the class. Input name for class, user need to input class ID for class ID. Output result. Input name must members to set2, and output result will be success.
As conclusion, class reservation system is a system that will ease the process of booking a class for students and lecturers in Faculty Informatics and Computing in UNIZA. This system is able to check the available classes to be booked straight away by the users. The system is very convenient and easy to use, as the user only needs to follow the instructions carefully to make sure the booking made can be kept into the database and didn't overlay and redundant with any other books. Each students and lecturers can get into the system by using their metric and staff number and simply book the class.